52K spent, good amount. Cost per lead, ridiculously, really good. 7% conversion rate, fantastic. And then stellar cost per acquisition.
I don't really do anything, honestly. The system is set up, it runs on its own. People send me messages, I respond, and that's sort of it, man. It's a good life.
That's the best fucking answer I've heard in 6 months.
Welcome to my legal academy, helping lawyers work smart, scale fast, and enjoy life.
Moises, how's it going?
Good. Made it out of court on time to join you guys.
Good. Let me just show everyone else. Moises texted me his numbers in the morning. First of all, God bless you for being open to share your success so people can know and see that it's possible. So 52K spent, good amount. Cost per lead, ridiculously, really good, especially in California. I'm so impressed. Even I'm impressed by this cost per lead. You had some really good UGC. 7% conversion rate, fantastic. And then stellar cost per acquisition, which this is just, I'm sure you got more clients than this. It was just the number of, right? It was just clients, let alone the claims, right, Moises?
Oh yeah, the claims, it's probably shit. What are we at, 112? Claims is probably like 150, 160. I got a case over the weekend where a guy was with a musical band. So it was 7 freaking claims in one.
Wow. God is a blessing, is bringing
right?
blessings here now. Amazing. And then, how much are we spending per month? 12K, 15K, 12K. I want to see these numbers go up, Moises. So, 15K, 18K, 20K,
So the main numbers, I didn't update those 2 fields. So
Nice.
the cost and the leads. So the cost should be around the same as April. So actually my CPA will go up a little bit. So I'm spending around 16 grand.
Good. And, even $400 cost per acquisition is fantastic. And again, if things are working, by all means, just keep at it. You don't need to go more UGC, things like that. So, it's like different strategies. I've seen the top people kind of, watching people that have been running it for years. They have that one really good one. They're still running it to this day. So that's kind of been my strategy too. I have all my competitors. I have a list of 40 competitors in lemon law. 80% of them stopped, thank God, and they couldn't compete. But the rest are just like non-stop experimental this and that. And I'm like, rookie mistakes. I already found a thing that works. The other thing too to evaluate is which ad. Which ad. Sometimes there's one particular ad that resonates more with more clients being signed up. That's in Google Sheets. I kind of evaluate that, but something to keep in mind. But again, if the cost acquisition is below 1,000, and whatever, okay, fine. Like, be able to optimize 10%, 20% more based on the ad, but not a big deal.
Hey, hope you're enjoying the video so far. If you're a lawyer and you're looking to work smart, scale fast, and enjoy life, right below this video, you'll find a link to book a call to speak to my team so we can tell you how we've been able to help over 500 law firm owners scale their law firm. Now back to the video.
William is asking Moises, what is the intaker setup? How many hours, etc.? Good question.
So we rolled out a new schedule last week, I believe, because I picked up another intaker. So now we have coverage from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. 7 days a week. And that has made a difference. We're picking up more cases. We're talking to more people. There's better leads. Even if some of these better leads that we are encountering now aren't all converting, there's just better conversations. So we were definitely leaving some potential on the table previously with my limited hours.
But how many intakers are working in a shift? 1 per shift or 2 per shift?
Yeah, it's 1 per shift. So one of them will cover the morning shift and the other one will cover the night shift.
So 2 total intakers?
2 intakers, correct.
Yeah. Kind of risky. If I were you, I would get a 3rd one just in case.
Yeah, no, I'm working on it. I am gonna open up Washington soon. I'm just sort of trying to figure out, my timing. I'm ready. There's nothing else to do. All I got to do is turn on the ad. But I'm just sort of like, I think I'm going to wait until July to do it. I'm not sure why, but that's just what feels right now.
If there's one thing that you love to not do anymore, what would that be, Moises?
I don't know, man, because I don't really do shit as it is now. It all sort of runs I don't know if there's less to do. I don't really do anything, honestly. The system is set up, it runs on its own. The intakers do what they do. The case managers do what they do, and I have staff at the office that are in charge of making sure shit works. I log into my case management system, and people send me messages, I respond, and that's sort of it, man. It's a good life.
That's the best fucking answer I've heard in 6 months, Moses.
Yeah, man, and it's all thanks to you guys, the feedback and the program.
Yeah.
And we're still due for a dinner. Somebody
We are.
Okay, so you let me know.
Let me get all these end of the school year activities
Sure.
out of the way, and then we can definitely get that on the map, get that picture, get everything going.
Sounds good. Amazing, man. Thank you, Moises. Thank you for sharing.